Okay, this corner is pretty much rusted out back here, and then it's rotted off. And that piece actually extends out here a ways to meet the tail panel. And I'm like, well, I don't have a lot of, forming a tight radius like that. That is actually a lot of work. But I got looking at the tail panel that I cut off, and it has this same rolled edge. And where this is all rotted, I got to replace it anyways. So my idea is to slot this. You can see the slot, and I'm going to bend it to get the flow that I need from probably right about there, and then so probably here, and then down and around. So that's what, 3/4 of an inch. Not far. I can rebuild this with weld. It's not a big deal, but actually this piece comes out. So I'm gonna bend this and see what we get to, if I can get this to match this. Even if I have to cut it farther, it doesn't matter. I can glue it back together with the welder. This is a pretty solid piece. It's not rotted through. It's got a bit of surface rust on it, so I can clean that off, and we can join. We'll make marriage. So let's see what we can come up with. As you can see, this channel's bent right here. I don't want to collapse it, so I'm going to put this piece of metal in there as I'm bending it in the vise. So let's see what I come up with. So I put it in the vise and I started bending on a little bit, and kind of see what we're getting here. If you put it in behind, it's good to right about here, I believe. Maybe just a hair more. Just a hair. That we got decent flow. Fitzy's always talk about flow. You got to have a good flow. Bad Chad's flow. So sometimes you just got to shut up and flow. Okay, we'll see what we got this time. I bent it a little bit more. So you can see it's pretty close. I don't think it's that far away. Maybe just a hair more on this upper side. Just a hair. Because I think I'm good to there. So it's got to come up about 1/8 of an inch more, I think.